Welcome to the Exams Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the UPSC recruitment for the year 2020. For this recruitment, we are going to see the notification details such as vacancy, age limit, selection process, education qualification and apply online details. So, the candidates who are really interested and eligible for the UPSC recruitment can know this detail in this video. First, we are going to see the notification detail for each post in detail. First post is Assistant Engineer. For the Assistant Engineer, 2 vacancies are announced and the age limit is 30 years. Education qualification for this post is the candidate should have completed degree in engineering or technology, and the experience for this post is minimum 2 years experience in the relevant field. Next post is Foreman. For this post also 2 vacancies are announced and the maximum age limit is 30 years. The candidate should have completed degree in computer science in MSc from any recognized university. After that, Senior Scientific Assistant vacancy. For this post, 3 vacancies are allotted and the education qualification for this post is the candidate should have completed degree in computer engineering from a recognized university with 1 year experience in relevant field, or associate member of Institute of Engineers in Computer Engineering from a recognized university plus 1 year experience in relevant field, or master degree in science. After that, the same Senior Scientific Assistant vacancy in the Department of Electrical. For this post, the candidate should have completed degree in electrical engineering plus 1 year experience, or the associate member of Institute of Engineers in Electrical Engineering from a recognized university with 1 year experience in relevant field. And Senior Scientific Assistant in Mechanical Department post is also announced. For this post, 10 vacancies are announced. The maximum age limit is 30 years. For this post, the candidate should have completed engineer or technology in mechanical engineering with plus 1 year experience. After that, 10 vacancy is announced for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor in Clinical Hematology. For this post, the candidate should have completed MBBS degree qualification and the candidate also have a 40 years of age. He or she also have 3 years teaching experience as senior resident or tutor or demonstrator or registered or assistant professor or lecturer in concerned specialty. After that, 5 vacancies announced for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion. For this post is also the candidate have 40 years of age and the candidate should have completed MBBS degree. He or she also have a 3 years experience in the concerned specialty. And the same post in the Department of Medical Oncology also announced. 2 vacancies allotted for this Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor post. For this post is also have a 40 years of age and the qualification is MBBS degree with 3 years experience in the concerned specialty. After that, 6 vacancy for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor in Neonatology Department. For this post, the candidate should have completed 40 years of age and he or she should have an MBBS degree with 3 years experience in the relevant field. So, around 40 plus vacancies are announced in this recruitment. For this recruitment, who are really interested can start to apply from now onwards, and the last date for submission of application is 15th October 2020. Application fee for this recruitment is the candidate have to pay an application fee of ₹25. Finally, we are going to see how to apply for this recruitment. For this recruitment, the candidate have to visit the official site of UPSC. After visiting the official site, the candidate have to click the recruitment notification of this post. Once after read the notification carefully, the candidate have to go to the online recruitment application section and then register with the valid email ID and password. After registering, the candidate have to apply for the post. For applying this post, the candidate required to submit the essential details which is asked in the online application. After submitting the required details, the candidate have to upload the photograph and signature. Finally, candidate can click to submit the online application form. Thank you. We hope that the recruitment notification which are given here is clearly understood, and the notification download link and apply online link is given in our below description box. Candidates can make use of it to download the notification and apply through online for this recruitment. This is the big chance to the candidate who are really wanted to make him or her career in UPSC. Thank you. All the best.